Devices are getting smarter. Robots run warehouses, drones spot suspicious vehicles, industrial computers identify failure risks in real time, and cameras recognize production quality issues. More and more code runs at the edge, and just like with any code, extensive iteration is needed to adapt to changing environments and new requirements. To accomplish this, modern development practice would normally demand CI/CD, advanced monitoring, reliability, blue-green, and canary deployments. But how do you continuously deploy to an oil rig 40 miles offshore? How do you stream monitoring metrics from drones inspecting power lines across the United States? The tools that traditionally solve these challenges expect a reliable, high-bandwidth internet connection and huge, scalable servers. They manage at most a handful of Kubernetes clusters, not a fleet of them. This is where Altair EdgeOps comes in. Altair EdgeOps is a toolset to help you build, manage, and scale automation and intelligence at the edge for fleets of assets. It has two main components. For the edge itself, EdgeOps provides an edge compute platform, a Kubernetes-based, event-driven microservices architecture optimized for intermittently available, resource-constrained environments. To help you manage your fleet, EdgeOps also offers a toolkit to assemble, deploy, monitor, and continuously improve your maybe thousands of applications at the edge. EdgeOps brings modern web development methodology to the edge, giving you hardware provisioning, push-button deployment with A/B partitioning for safe OS updates, resource monitoring, remote log analysis and terminal access, functions as a service at the edge, and AI at the edge. Together, these things give you a robust environment to deploy, monitor, and improve your edge automation. With Altair EdgeOps, you can continuously improve a fleet of thousands of autonomous robots. You can monitor and update edge AI models to meet changing factory conditions. You can adapt your products to better meet your users' needs and accelerate their business. Altair EdgeOps gives you the power to build the edge automation you want, then massively scale it.